KLA-Tencor, Kemet Corporation, GSI Technologies Inc, IXYS Solar Holdings Company Limited, IXYS Corporation, Irvine Sensors Corporation, IPG Photonics, IntriCon Corporation, Intersil, International Rectifier, Intel, Integrated Silicon Solution Inc, Integrated Device Technology, Infineon Technologies, Ikanos Communications, AVX Technology Corporation, Horizon Semiconductors, Holtec, IXYS Microwave Corporation, GSI Technology Inc, Global Foundries, Gennum Corp, Genesis Microchip, Freescale Semiconductor, Form Factor, First Solar, Fairchild Semiconductor International Inc, Exar Corporation, Evergreen Solar Inc, DSP Group Inc, Diodes Incorporated, Cirrus, Cypress Semiconductor, CTS Corporation, Connexent, Cirrus Logic, Avago Inc, Catalyst Semiconductor Inc, California Microdevices Corporation, CQ Microsystems, Broadcom, AXT Inc, Axiom Microdevices, Aware Inc, AVX Corporation, Avago Technologies, Atmel, Qualcomm Atheros, Circuits Corporation, Applied Materials, Analog Devices, Anchor Technology, AMD, Altera, Alliance Semiconductor, Alliance Fiber Optic Products, AGEA, Aileros, Advanced Technology Development Facility, Advanced Photonics Inc., Advanced Microdevices, Advanced Energy, Acacia Research Corporation, 3D Labs, Freescale Interactive.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.